Waking up 2, 3, or even 5 times a night to pee? You're not alone, but you don't have to live this way. Today, we'll reveal the real reason seniors pee so much at night and how to stop it naturally. From powerful lifestyle tips to science-backed foods and doctor-approved habits, we'll help you reclaim your nights and boost your health. Stick around till the end because your bladder, your sleep, and your body depend on it. Have you ever asked yourself, why do I need to pee so much at night now when I didn't before? The truth is, aging changes everything, including how your bladder behaves. But don't worry, you're not alone and you're not helpless. Let's break down the most common and surprising causes of nighttime urination, medically known as nocturia. Here are common causes of nighttime urination in seniors. Number 1, enlarged prostate for men. As men age, the prostate gland can enlarge, a condition known as BPH or benign prostatic hyperplasia. This growth presses against the urethra, interfering with the normal flow of urine and making you feel like you need to go, even if your bladder isn't full. Number 2, low estrogen for women. In women, declining estrogen levels after menopause can cause the bladder lining to thin and become more sensitive. This often leads to urgency and increased frequency, especially at night. Number 3, weakened pelvic muscles. Over time, pelvic floor muscles that support the bladder can weaken due to aging, childbirth, or inactivity. This reduces your bladder control and causes more leaks or urgent nighttime trips. Number 4, overhydration before bed. Many seniors try to stay hydrated, which is great, but drinking too much in the evening, especially after 6 or 7 p.m., can overload your bladder right before sleep. Number 6, medications. Certain drugs like diuretics for blood pressure, antidepressants, and even sleep aids can affect how much urine you produce or irritate your bladder. Always check the side effects and timing of your meds with your doctor. Number 7, chronic conditions. Diseases like diabetes, high blood pressure, and sleep apnea can cause changes in hormone regulation and kidney function, making you produce more urine at night. But here's what most people don't know. Frequent urination at night may be your body's way of waving a red flag. If your sleep is disturbed every night, you're at higher risk for heart problems, memory loss, and even depression. Many seniors brush off poor sleep like it's a minor inconvenience, but it's not. Interrupted sleep, especially from constant bathroom trips, slowly erodes your physical and mental health. Now, let's dive into the health risks of poor sleep. What really happens when seniors don't sleep well at night? Number 1, weakened immune system. When you sleep, your body produces cytokines, proteins that help fight off infection and inflammation. Without deep sleep, your immune system can't recharge, making you more prone to colds, flu, and even chronic illness. Another health risk of poor sleep is weight gain and diabetes risk. Interrupted sleep throws off your hunger hormones. You feel hungrier the next day and crave sugar. Poor sleep is linked to insulin resistance, increasing your chances of gaining belly fat and developing type 2 diabetes. Next is mood swings, anxiety, and depression. Lack of restorative sleep affects the brain's emotional center. You may feel more irritable, anxious, or even experience depression without realizing poor sleep is the trigger. Number 4, accelerated brain aging. Your brain uses deep sleep to flush out toxins, including beta amyloid, a sticky protein linked to Alzheimer's. Without quality sleep, memory loss and cognitive decline speed up. One of the most dangerous of these risks is increased fall risk. Frequent trips to the bathroom in the dark? That's a dangerous combo. Seniors who wake often at night are 2x more likely to fall. One fall can change your life. That's why fixing nighttime urination is not just about comfort, it's about protecting your mind, your independence, and your life. Now that you understand why you're waking up so often, let's look at the mistakes that are silently making it worse. Many of these are completely avoidable. Drinking too much water after 7 p.m. Yes, you need water, but front-load it during the day. After dinner, sip only what you need. Don't chug water at bedtime thinking it'll help their skin or kidneys. It'll just fill your bladder. Taking diuretics in the evening. If you're on blood pressure meds, double check with your doctor about when to take your diuretic. Many seniors take them too late and end up peeing all night. Caffeine or alcohol after 4 p.m. Caffeine in coffee, tea, soda, or chocolate is a bladder stimulant. So is alcohol. They also interfere with sleep. Cut these off in the afternoon. Lying down immediately after dinner. Seniors who lie down too soon after a heavy dinner may unknowingly push fluid back into their system, which then drains into the bladder during sleep. Spicy or acidic foods at night. Tomatoes, citrus, peppers, and vinegar-based dressings can irritate the bladder lining and lead to more nighttime urgency. Not elevating legs before bed. If your legs swell during the day, fluid builds up in your lower body. When you lie flat, that fluid moves back into circulation and straight to your bladder. So, before reaching for new pills or blaming your age, make sure you're not sabotaging your bladder without realizing it. So, now that you've eliminated the habits that hurt your sleep, what should you do instead? These small, science-backed adjustments to your daily routine can significantly reduce nighttime urination and help you enjoy deep, uninterrupted sleep. Number 1. Hydrate strategically early in the day. Start your hydration early. Drink the majority of your water between 7 a.m. and 3 p.m. Slow it down after 4 p.m. and keep sipping lightly if you feel thirsty in the evening, but avoid large amounts of fluid after 6 p.m. Number 2. Elevate legs 1 hour before bed, 10 to 20 minutes. Sit or lie down with your feet propped up on a pillow or ottoman. This helps drain any fluid buildup in the legs before bedtime rather than while you're asleep. Number 3. Light evening exercise, legs and pelvic floor. Gentle walks or leg raises before dinner can reduce fluid retention. Seniors should also incorporate Kegel exercises. A few minutes of squeezing and releasing your pelvic floor muscles daily can strengthen your bladder control. Number 4. Time your dinner wisely. Finish dinner at least 3 hours before bedtime. Eating late not only causes digestive issues, it also shifts blood and fluid flow that impacts your bladder. Keep dinners light, balanced, and early. Number 5. Create a sleep-friendly bathroom schedule. Train your bladder with a consistent nighttime routine. always go to the bathroom right before bed, even if you don't feel a strong urge. Over time, this helps condition your body and improve overnight holding capacity. These aren't just minor tweaks, they're strategic lifestyle changes that improve how your body handles fluid, manages hormones, and resets your sleep pattern. Your bladder health and sleep quality are deeply connected to your diet. What you eat during the day, and especially in the evening, can either soothe your bladder or irritate it. Let's look at bladder-friendly foods that won't keep you up at night and that also promote deeper, more restful sleep. Here are best foods for bladder and sleep support. 1. Bananas. High in potassium and magnesium, bananas help reduce fluid retention and soothe muscles, including your bladder. 2. Oats. A high-fiber evening snack like oats improves digestion and stabilizes blood sugar, which supports balanced nighttime hormones. 3. Pumpkin seeds. Excellent for prostate health in men and bladder support in both sexes. Rich in zinc and omega-3s. 4. Cherries. Tart cherries are one of the few natural sources of melatonin, the hormone that signals your brain it's time to sleep. 5. Almonds. Packed with magnesium, almonds help calm your nervous system and prevent nighttime cramping or bladder spasms. If you're diabetic, don't worry. These foods still work. You just need to pair them properly. For example, a half banana with a spoon of almond butter or Greek yogurt keeps blood sugar stable. Also, avoid bladder-irritating foods like citrus, tomatoes, onions, and spicy dishes in the evening. They may cause bladder inflammation. You can't fix nighttime urination without fixing your sleep routine. A structured evening helps signal your body and your bladder that it's time to wind down. Here's how to create the ideal sleep routine for seniors that encourages uninterrupted rest and a calm bladder. 1. Stick to a sleep-wake schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even weekends. Your body relies on consistency to regulate bladder and hormone function. 2. Avoid screens before bed. Turn off phones, tablets, and TVs at least 1 hour before bed. Blue light disrupts melatonin production and makes it harder to fall asleep. 3. Dim the lights after 8 p.m. Darkness cues your brain to release melatonin. Use soft lamps or salt lights after dinner. Avoid overhead white lights in the evening. 4. Take a warm shower before bed. A warm shower or bath helps relax your muscles, reduce stress hormones, and improve bladder calmness, leading to deeper sleep. 5. Keep bedroom cool, 65 to 68 degrees. Your body sleeps better in cooler temperatures. Avoid overheating with too many blankets or closed windows. 6. Wind down with calm activities. Try reading a light book, listening to classical music, or practicing deep breathing. This calms your nervous system and encourages natural melatonin production. The goal is to create an environment, physically and emotionally, that tells your bladder it's time to rest. Let's wrap it up. Nighttime urination in seniors isn't just an inconvenience. It's a signal your body is asking for help. Whether it's hormone changes, poor bladder habits, or what you're eating, you now know the root causes, and more importantly, the solutions. From changing when and how you hydrate, adjusting your diet with bladder-safe superfoods, strengthening your pelvic muscles, to building the perfect bedtime routine, each step adds up to better sleep and healthier aging. Don't let frequent nighttime peeing steal your rest, your energy, or your health. Make these simple changes starting tonight and take back control of your body. And if this video helped you, please like, comment, and share with someone who needs this. We have even more coming on bladder health, sleep, and aging gracefully. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss